Hi, my name is Leslie, and I just wanted to hop on here and share about my experience with Juliana Benner and doing the liver rescue cleanse by the medical medium. Oh gosh, this time last year. I think we did it in between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Maybe it was after the New Year. Either way, every year I like to do a good cleanse, and the liver rescue cleanse had just come out, and Juliana told me she was doing this group this group cleanse, and of course I jumped on it. I have a full-time, I work 40 to 50 hours a week. I have a 3-year-old boy, I'm expecting another, and life is busy like it is for most of us. And doing a cleanse and putting everything together on my own. I actually have the medical medium book, and I read it, and I looked at doing the cleanse, and it seemed like a lot of preliminary work that I just didn't have time or the brain capacity to put together. And that's what I loved about joining Juliana, was that she did all of that legwork for me. So it comes with a shopping list, which was super helpful. It comes with what you're going to eat daily, so I don't even have to worry about it. I just know every single day this is what I'm going to have, and I was able to go out, buy the groceries, and pre-prepare much of it, and then just follow the cleanse. And it was super helpful to have her support as well, because oftentimes during detox, different symptoms might arise, different types of feeling. At one point, I don't think I was eating enough, and I talked with Juliana about that. She gave me support on how to pack in more calories, even while following the guidelines within the cleanse. And all in all, I experienced huge detox. It was amazing. I felt great. My skin, what I loved was afterwards. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty grueling. The first couple days, not so bad. Day 3, 4, and 5 were pretty hard, and then when I got to the tail end, it seemed like it was a lot easier, but it was totally worth it, because afterwards my skin was glowing, my stomach was flat, my digestion had improved dramatically, and I know that I flushed. I wish I could have taken a sample of some kind to know what was actually coming out of my liver. As a child, I took a lot of antibiotics. I'm sure just a lot of toxins from the air, probably a lot of things like Roundup coming from the food that we eat. So it was really amazing to know that my body had all the tools that it needed to be able to get the cleanse that I needed, while making it as easy as possible with the support from Juliana. So I'm doing the cleanse again this time around. I'm so excited to have the shopping list, the recipes, and the daily what to eat. I'm excited to have her group support. I started doing the yoga every morning in preparation, and I'm just going to use this time to really get centered within myself and be very mindful of what I'm eating and why, and give gratitude to my body for being such an amazing healing instrument, and so much gratitude to Anthony Williams and the medical medium and all the information that he's put forward, and to know that food can be such a healing tool, and beyond even this cleanse, the knowledge that you gain by being part of this group and knowing Juliana is amazing. She just posted a video about things to eliminate, and I'm like, gosh, if you just got rid of dairy, gluten, refined sugar, those 3 things alone, your health would improve dramatically. So you're in great hands. The cleanse is going to be phenomenal. I can't wait to hear how it goes for you, what you experience, and the benefits that you gain. And I'll just see you on the ride and share in the experience of all of it, good, bad, or indifferent. So if you have not signed up for the cleanse, or if you want to share this video with someone who you think can benefit from it, please do. It is well worth the time and the effort to give your body the detox that it needs, and to reset your liver so that it can keep you healthy for years to come. All right, thank you so much, Juliana, for all that you have done to put this together, and I'll see you at your office soon for my next treatment, and I'll see you all on the 12th or 11th on the 11th, I believe, for the cleanse. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.